Today I want to explain you how I enter to the position and gain $15. As you see, I enter here. I made a hurry. I didn't see any setup. Just I had a hurry up. I didn't wait, and as you see, price came back and touched my stop loss. If I made a zoom out, as you see, after that price goes down based on my analyst, and my second entry was here. As you see, this is my second entry. I entered to the market with a buy position. As you see, price touched my target and I gain around $45. And if I want to explain about this, is a demo account and I'm in forward test. Forward test will help you to control your patience, and after you learn all of this, you will be very good trader. I'm also trying to do my best. Okay, I will show you details in the trading view chart because meta is not good for explaining. I will come back. As you see, first of all, I saw my DMD area. Okay, let's explain any of them. I saw double Marubozu D1, DMD1 in 30 minutes, and I wait price to came back to the zone, this area, and if I change it to the 1 minute, I enter to the market in this area. Can you see? I enter to this area, but price goes up and touch my stop loss and then make another setup, but I didn't enter to the position because I was very busy and I was in the office. I can't be on the chart. For this position, I had in a break time, so I enter very fast without finding my confirmation. But as you see, price goes and made the good entry. You can take a good target from this trade. Let's see the second example. As you see, my second entry is DMD2, double Marubozu, that price break it very fast and price came back to the zone and then goes up. Let's see it in 1 minute. As you see, price break the zone, goes up, and here we have a unmitigated blocks. price, came back to the zone, touch it, and we have a engulfing candle as a confirmation. Then I enter to the position here, and because there is an unmitigated block in the reverse side, I prefer close my target in this area. As you see, with 2 candles in 2 minutes, price touch my target, and I close my position. If you have any question, ask me, I will help you, and if I have a free time, I will show you more example in the chart, and I will have a more forward test and back test. Have a good time. And if you want to see more example, watch my videos.